Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to back up your WordPress website in less than a minute. So first you go to your plugins and click on add new plugin, and then search for WP all-in-one WP migration. It is here, the first option, this one with arrows. Click on install now and activate. Once that is done, scroll on your left panel, you'll see the plugin here, all-in-one WP migration. Click on it, and then you will see an option here to backup, so click on backups, and then you click on create backup, and it's now backing up your website. So you give it some time for it to back up everything. And now your backup is complete. As you can see, my website has a backup of 789 megabytes. So I click on close, and there you go, you have it. This is your backup, the latest one, created like 7 seconds ago. So with this backup, you can be able to download it. Just click on these 3 dots on the side and you can be able to download it. Or if you make a mistake on your website and it's lose some changes or something happens, you can always come back here and click on restore, and it will restore the latest copy of your website. So I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.